Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the Swivel app to the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages. From here we just have to go into a channel, then tap on Connect Apps. And after it has loaded, we just have to scroll down and under the new and noteworthy section, find the Swivel. It's the middle one. We can just tap on it. And after it has loaded, there's going to appear a button that says Add the Slack right here. We can just tap on this, and thereby we can add the app to our Slack workspace. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.